Expansion of the Universe, Cosmology, for everybody, in 4 hours. Hello, welcome to this short introductory course on Expansion of the Universe, Cosmology. My name is Walter Urbaniak. I am a retired computer networking engineer. I have an interest in physics, but I am not a physicist and not a professor. This information comes mostly from a book published in 2017, but also from a handful of other books. This is a 4.5-hour introduction to the expansion of the universe, with another 2 hours of supplemental videos. This class is targeted at persons who are not physicists, but have an interest in physics or cosmology. The transcript for these lectures is available as a PDF. The link is available in the description of the YouTube video. Attributions for images are in the lecture script file. The course is divided into 26 main course section videos and 8 supplemental videos. The universe is expanding. We will learn what this means and does not mean, how to express it and understand it. We will learn cosmologists' standard cosmological model and follow the composition, density, temperature, and epochs of the observable universe from a time after the hot Big Bang to the future Big Chill or Big Rip end of our observable universe. We will learn what observable universe means and imagine the universe that is beyond our observation. Cosmologists have this history of our universe in 15 seconds. First there was nothing. Then there was something. Then there was hydrogen. Then there was dirty hydrogen. First the dirty hydrogen was ionized. Then it was neutral. Then it was ionized again. The end. We will do big picture and broad strokes, not the physics of particles, stars, and galaxies. We will cover the cosmic microwave background, 400,000 years after the Big Bang, and Big Bang nucleosynthesis in the first 5 minutes of the universe, also the first second, the first billionth of a second, the first trillionth of a second. We will end with a number of open questions that may change cosmologists' understanding in coming decades. We will not have time to understand the evidence for the current model. I did not cover the structure formation of stars and galaxies. As a background homework assignment, I suggest you think about why the night sky is black if there are an infinite number of stars in the universe. This is covered in supplemental video number 6, but I suggest you take the beginning of this course before watching it. I will read out the roadmap for this course. If you don't want to listen to this, skip to the next video. The time for each section is given in minutes, but I will not read out these times. So this video is Introduction and Roadmap. The second video is The Universe is Expanding. What is not expanding? And it is 7 minutes long. Section 3 is the Hot Big Bang. Section 4 is Hubble's Law, Hubble Tension, and Hubble Distance. Section 5 is Visualizing the Expanding Universe, not an explosion. Section 6 is Expansion Scale Factor, A of t. Section 7 is Cosmological Redshift and Radiation Temperature. Section 8 is the Friedmann Equation. Section 9, Friedmann Acceleration Equation and Equations of State. Section 10, Friedmann Equations with Scale Factor Dependence. Section 11, Standard Cosmological Model, Lambda CDM. Section 12, Matter and Energy Classification. Section 13, Radiation-Dominated Era. Section 14, 13 billion years of expansion. Section 15, End of the Universe, Big Chill. Section 16, End of the Universe, Big Rip. Section 17, End of the Universe, Big Crunch. Section 18, Cosmic Microwave Background, CMB, Recombination, and the Size of the Universe. Section 19, CMB Variations and Baryon Acoustic Oscillations, BAO. Section 20, Dark Ages, First Stars, and Reionization. Section 21, Structure, Galaxies, Filaments, Cosmic Voids. Section 22, Big Bang Nucleosynthesis, BBN. Section 23, Cosmic Inflation. Section 24, Cosmological History of Our Universe. At 34 minutes, this is the longest video in the main course. Section 25, A Terse History of Our Universe. Section 26, Open Questions and Doubts. And there are 8 supplemental videos. Hubble Law, Absorption Lines and Cosmic Distance Ladder, Simple Model Universes, Negative Pressure, Cosmic Particle Horizon, Hubble Distance, Cosmic Event Horizon, and How Ancient Light Reaches Us. This video is an hour and 5 minutes long. I've also divided it up into a number of smaller videos, but the content is the same. Supplemental Video 5 is Positive Curvature. 6 is Olber's Paradox, Why is the Night Sky Dark? 7 is Planck Units. And Supplement 8 is Critical Energy Density and Solving the Friedmann Equation. I hope that you will enjoy this course.